Hey guys, Emmanuel from Kuya Adventures. Okay, so I'm in my local reserve and I thought I'd show you guys some of the wild edibles that I know. So the other day I showed you some dandelion and some plantain. Before I show you some other plants, I just wanted to show you the last stage of dandelion. Okay, this is when dandelion is ready to give off its seeds. Alright, just so you can identify it all year round. Okay, so sometimes it looks like this. When I was young, I used to make a wish like this. Just to refresh your memory, dandelion looks like this. Okay, so it's that yellow weed or flower. Okay, so now this is one plant I've just recently learned. It's also a weed, but edible. I have to admit to you, it doesn't taste very nice, but it is edible and it has a nutritional value to it. Okay, so this is clover, Australian clover. Okay, I'm sure most of you are familiar with the leaves. Okay, but this is also the flower. Okay, that's clover, growing right next to dandelion as well. There's probably some plantain around here somewhere. Okay, guys, so I'll keep moving on and show you some more of the plants that I know. Not really known to be a wild edible, but all daisies are edible. Okay. Okay, so there's a palm tree just there too. I'm pretty sure the heart of the palm tree is edible. Okay, guys, I found some matrush. Okay, this plant here is called spiky matrush. Okay, now to get the edible parts, you have to grab a leaf very carefully because you can cut yourself and pull it up like that. Okay. Okay, so that's the edible part, the white part. You can see goes from green to white, and you just chew on it, and it kind of tastes like peas. Okay, that's matrush. Now, the best way to identify it, I found, is by looking for the flower, which is this part here. Okay, this is why it's called a spiky matrush, because it has a spiky flower like this. Okay, this plant is used for basket weaving by the Aboriginals, and like I said, like you've seen, it's edible. Okay, so I found some nasturtium. In the previous video, I've referred to it as nasterium, but I've done some research and it's pronounced nasturtium. Okay, so that's it there. You see the plant leaves. That's the edible flower. Okay. Has a very peppery taste, but it's quite pleasant. See the leaves? Now I've noticed that these are growing usually right next to water. Okay, and there's the water. Okay, so there's another palm. Pretty sure the heart of palm is edible. There's some wandering dew. And there's a lizard. Okay, guys, I'll show you some more. Okay, here's that wandering dew I saw. Alright, that's it there. You see the white flowers. This is another wild edible I've learnt just recently. Reluctant to taste it. Though I know it's edible, I also know it's not good for dogs. Hey guys, okay, so this one is willow. Alright, willow, weeping willow. They call it weeping willow sometimes because the branches weep down, like so. Alright, very good for cordage, if you need to. Okay, very good. And the medicinal property to this plant is that the inner bark holds the same ingredient as we use in aspirin. Okay, so out in the field, this might be very useful to get you out of a bad situation. Okay, headaches and stuff like that. Anyone want some pepper flavoring for a field salad? Look at all that nasturtium behind me. Okay guys, I'm sure you all know what grass looks like and what the grass seeds look like. Just keep in mind, all Australian grass seeds are edible. Okay, so if you want to make a quick cake, Johnny cake in a survival situation, grass seeds will do it for you. Okay guys, just another view at the willow. That's it right there, okay? The one with the weeping branches. That's willow, alright? So keep in mind the inner bark has the same ingredient that we use in aspirin. Okay, so you want a headache relief? There it is.